I want to simplify this. First thing you want to do is factor everything you can. Does this piece factor? Yes, this has a GCF of 8x. When you pull out 8x, you are left with x plus 1. Now, the bottom, I don't normally like to have it being 2 minus x. I'm going to change that to negative x plus 1. Times, the top is factored already. What's the GCF on the bottom? 6. Alright, what cancels? Well, the x plus 1's cancel. Anything else? The 8 and the 6, what did that leave you? A 4 and a 3? Now, are these the same? No, but watch this. Can I pull a GCF of negative 1 out of this one? If I pull negative 1 out, that leaves me actually x minus 2. Could you now cancel this with this? All I did is rewrite it. Is it okay I wrote it right underneath? These now cancel. What's left on top? We have a 4. I have an x. And I have an x plus 5. On the bottom I have a negative. And I have a 3. I'm done. Here's your answer. Don't forget the negative 1, or negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Now, 4 times x plus 5, you just leave it. You don't FOIL it back out. Or distribute it. Now the next one. A division, you're going to have to switch to multiply. But before we do that, let's first factor. Does the top numerator factor here? Yes. This is a difference of squares. It is x plus 1, x minus 1. The bottom does not factor. Now, this is a multiply. This was a divide. I want to change it to multiply. If I change this to a multiply, doesn't this now become the top?
Yeah.
Is there a GCF? 2. And when you pull out a 2, that leaves you x plus 4.
No way.
The bottom, sorry, the top now becomes the bottom. Now, I'm going to write this as x minus 1, x minus 1. Because squared means 2 of them. Now, don't think that squared went to this. That's why I also wrote it. The squared only goes to the second piece. Alright, when you have a division, you change it to multiply and flip the second one. Now, can you cancel anything? Yes. The x minus 1 cancels with the x minus 1. The x plus 4 cancels with the x plus 4. That's it. You're left with an x plus 1 and a 2. I usually like to put the number first. And on the bottom, you're left with an x plus 8 and an x minus 1. You cannot cancel these. That is your answer. Nothing else cancels.